Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you best ways to make money with ChatGPT. So let's jump into our main video. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get latest updated video on make money online. So what is the ways to make money with ChatGPT? That's our point. So first we need to know our ways, and in this video we are talking about many things or many topics. So first you can do content writing services. Okay, so here we learn how we can use ChatGPT to help us, because we earn money to use ChatGPT. First, content writing service. So that means you write content and sell this content and earn money. To write this content, ChatGPT can help you, because ChatGPT is a best writer or text writer. So you can use ChatGPT to write any content, and then you can provide content writing service. Next, copywriting. Copywriting is same to content writing. If you good at content writing, you also write at copywriting. You can write email copy, blog copy, article copy, any other types of copy with the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is just a tool or helper for you in great way. Next, you can do email marketing services. So what is email marketing service? In email marketing service, you can write and send email